Hello everyone. Welcome to Catchy English.
In this video, we are going to learn the names of 26 places in alphabet from A to Z. Before we jump right into the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all of our latest content.
Airport. Airport. Bakery. Bakery. Cinema. Cinema. Dentist office. Dentist office. Embassy. Embassy. Factory. Factory. Gas station. Gas station. Hospital. Hospital. Ice cream shop. Ice cream shop. Jewelry store. Jewelry store. Kindergarten. Kindergarten. Library. Library. Museum. Museum. Nursing home. Nursing home. Observatory. Observatory. Police station. Police station. Quarry. Quarry. Restaurant. Restaurant. Stadium. Stadium. Train station. Train station. University. University. Video game arcade. Video game arcade. Warehouse. Warehouse. X-ray center. X-ray center. Yoga studio. Yoga studio. Zoo. Zoo. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to buy a paperback copy, you can click the link below in the description to order it from Amazon. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all of our latest content. Keep practicing your English skills and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. See you next time.